Your game launches. You hear the sound, but the screen stays completely black. Frustrating, right? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the black screen error in PC games step by step. These fixes are simple, fast, and they actually work. Let's fix your game right now. First, let's do a quick graphics reset. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B at the same time. When you press it, your screen will blink for a second, and you'll hear a short beep sound. That means your graphics driver has successfully restarted. Now check if your game display comes back. Next, go to your game installation folder and find the game's .exe file. Right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Disable Full Screen Optimizations. After that, also check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. This helps the game run in true full screen mode and gives it proper system permissions, which often fixes black screen issues. Now let's make sure your graphics driver is up to date. Press Windows key plus X, then click on Device Manager. Inside Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Then select Search Automatically for drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are one of the most common causes of black screen errors. If the problem still isn't fixed, you need to update DirectX. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the latest DirectX version. Never download it from unofficial sites. DirectX is extremely important because it handles graphics rendering in most PC games. If your DirectX files are missing or outdated, your game may launch with a black screen. Finally, download and install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable from the official Microsoft website. Make sure to download and install both the 64-bit and the 32-bit versions. Even if you have a 64-bit system, some games still require 32-bit components to run properly. Installing both ensures full compatibility and prevents startup errors. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC fixes and gaming content.